say we're at the glass factory here, and
we
they've been
are.
blowing glass, and so now we've paid our money so that we can blow on the pipe too. So we got the big huge furnace here. Lori went first to show everybody how it was done, and so now Lisa is over here. She's getting instruction from the previous pipe blowers,
Is playing for glass.
and then I'm gonna go too.
Yes. Woo!
Lisa's getting her instructions.
Lisa.
Okay. Okay.